Guys, I'm gonna tell you why we're in the bathroom. Because we're doing the fire! 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 Okay, I'm just pretending. So you're gonna see the fire, the washcloth's gone. Because I'm pretending the washcloth is the fire. Since I won't do real fire, because by the time my video is over, my house is gonna be burned. Let's get started. First, I gotta make sure you can see us. Okay, I'm just gonna it's here. Fine, I'll do this. Okay, Marshall, I'm gonna use my Marshall pup for this. Marshall, are you ready? Yes, dude. I'm gonna make this guy talk. Marshall, dude, are you ready? Yes, dude. In this project, there's water, and it has buttons to push. Just not now. There's no sirens. Let's get started. Okay. Okay, Marshall. Oh, why do I keep falling down ladder? Marshall. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's get up a little bit further. I'm gonna have to use this thing to get up further. Tell me once you're there, and then get out with the hose. Okay, I'll do it. And then he'll spray the water. Okay. Okay, I'm up there with the fire. This is scary. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Got the hose. Got it! Okay, now I'm gonna pump the water! Okay, pump the water, dude. Okay, everyone says, oh, okay, wait. Oh, so much. Okay, he got it. He got it, but sort of fire zone. Spring, 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 spring. Alright, sorry, Marshall. I'll just try. Okay. Oh no, no. Marshall. I'm just taking the house out for you, Marshall. And coming down with the fires out. I'm just gonna sit here and stare at this wall. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. Fire, 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 fire. 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 The fire's gone. Oh, thanks to Marshall and his best friend and Jayden. Now drop this out and I'll catch it. Okay, Marshall, go right there, and I'll pull you down. Okay, dude. Look, okay, I'm gonna uneject. Uneject. Mommy! And then I'll pull you up, Marshall. And then put you down, Marshall. And now let's get ourselves down. Mommy's... You know, let's get ourselves down. You can only buy this at them. You can only buy this in Fredericksburg. You can buy this in Fredericksburg in the mall in Marshalls. The Marshalls in the mall. Okay. Okay. And remember, it's a fire truck. And if you see it without these windows, it's actually, the windows are actually right there. Cause look. See, the windows were actually taken apart. And then once you get the thing out, you have to get this out of the tape. And then put this right here, and then you got your own fire truck. But a year before you got this, but if you got Paw Patrol toys, if you get a Marshall, it doesn't matter if any kind of Marshall, just any kind of Marshall. If you get a Marshall, then you can use it to put it right here. Okay, you the end of my video. Bye! Oh wait, one more thing. Can I just write? And one more thing. that's my video. Bye. Ciao, folks.